Searching for a green getaway in the Western Ghats?
In a land of zen and calmness, where you say goodbye to all your worries. Embrace the great outdoors, the sky, the stars, and the sweet sound of silence.
Amongst the blossoming flowers and the cheerful bird symphony.
The ultimate spot to unwind, recharge, and bond with loved ones. Embark on hiking trails, suitable for both newbies and seasoned adventurers. Savoring scrumptious dishes crafted from locally sourced fresh ingredients. Straight from our cozy little organic farm, fresh and fabulous.
Dining at Refectory, our community dining space.
Solely focused on sustainable energy, wind and solar. Snuggling up in our charmingly revamped cottages. Welcome to Mountain Villa, where there's nature and nothing else. WhatsApp Sunita at +91 908 287 0788 to kickstart your epic vacation plans. Thank you, and hope to see you soon.